Hello world, this is Mike with Backwards Machining. I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to. Now this right here is not only an engineering marvel and a work of art, but it is also a motor mount for a treadmill motor. Alright, now the reason I'm using this treadmill motor here is because the original motor for this machine is 3-phase, and the converter that I ordered with everything that's going on just hasn't came in. So I got this set up. It's I'm not sure how well you could see it, but it's 2.9 horsepower, 8,000 RPM. Now, this is not supposed to spin too fast. This is only supposed to spin, I believe, 800 or 900 RPM. So, but that is one heck of a reduction from there to there. If I did my math correctly, which I probably didn't, it's about 10 to 1. So we should be good to go on the speed. Now, to drive the motor, I'm using a transformer, a microwave transformer that I modified. I took the secondary out of this transformer, and I replaced it with the primary from a different transformer, microwave transformer. And that's what I've got here. These are normally called isolation transformers. But it puts out about 150 volts with this capacitor and this rectifier DC, which is perfect for what I need, and it doesn't get too hot, so that's the best part. Now I was going to start it up, let you guys hear and see what's going on. Okay, drive shaft is driving. Okay, now let me show you how this works. This right here is for the table. If you have it this way, the table will feed this way. This engages it. See the handle moving now? Completely automatic. If I want to switch that, I push this way, engage, and now it's going the other direction. Now, if I want to use the knee height, this is for that. Pull that out so it doesn't hit me right where it really hurts. This is the drive. I can push it up. Now it's going up. Go down. Now it's going down. Now if I want to move the y-axis, I have to push this over. Hard to do this with one hand. There we go. And same thing, if I want to go the other direction, just push it down. Good to go. Now, if I disengage that, or leave it engaged, doesn't matter. Let's say I want to engage the spindle now. Let it stop, that way you don't grind any gears. Bear in mind, this is an old machine. Then engage. With this right here. Come on, you. treadmill motor might not be enough. Now, let's go back to where we were. Sorry, can't do that with one hand. It's a little bit hard to do. No, let's see if we can go a little slower than that. Oh, hang on. Okay. Now I got this in the number 1 slot. Let's see what it does. There we go. That's not too bad. Looks like she's holding up okay. Now let's see, we have D, A, and 1. So 1AD is 36. So right now that's going 36 RPM. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what I was doing. I hope all of you are having a good Easter out there. I'll catch you later.